Hi guys, I am Patrick. I am the founder of Patrick Taw Beauty, and I am so proud to be highlighting this month's AAPI month. Something that you guys may not know about me is that I am first generation Vietnamese American. So what that means is that my parents immigrated over to the US from Vietnam back in the 80s, and I am the first to be born in the US. I am a high school dropout. I did not go to college, and I am gay. So what it means for me to be a Vietnamese founder in Sephora is that I am able to pave a way for younger people who look like me that had a dream of being a makeup artist or being able to feel confident and comfortable doing what they love. I am so proud to have a brand that represents so many different types of beauty, and to be able to be making this video applying a full face of makeup gives me chills, because knowing that my mom and my dad are so proud to say that this is my son. So happy AAPI month.